Hello, everyone. My name is Bob Shelwitz, and I'm the CEO of Invirsa, and I'm proud to be presenting this to you. We're taking a whole new approach to healing, and healing from the core. When I mean the core, from the DNA core of the cell. We've looked at multiple ways that we can approach this, but the eye for us is perfect. And there's a complete unmet needs in the eye, starting with infectious keratoconjunctivitis, which is our lead indication. There's a market of $1 billion there waiting to be had if somebody can develop an approach that hits most of the causes of infectious keratoconjunctivitis. We think will be high adoption rate because of this. It's been heavily de-risked by a $30 million non-dilutive development contract, and we are seeking additional funding to expand the indications for the compound. Why keratoconjunctivitis? It's perfect. There are 7 million cases per year. There is no treatment. Physicians don't want to see these patients in their office because they're concerned about infectious disease. And then they also fall into the trap of prescribing antibiotics and steroids that don't work, and in fact may make the problem much worse. Insurance is looking for a way to reduce these multiple doctor visits that occur when a patient develops conjunctivitis. How did we achieve that? We achieve it by rapid healing, which shortens the contagious period and allows the patient to resume their life without fear of complications. For the medical professional, they can do it in an e-visit. They can look at the patient over the phone, prescribe it. They don't have to do complicated diagnostic procedures that in most cases actually are not particularly revealing. And for insurance, it's a simple, straightforward transaction of covering the prescription costs and a televisit, and not multiple doctor visits. The compound is IP protected for composition of matter and methods of use, and our attorneys are Jones Day. Proprietary manufacturing for a whole new method that we developed just recently will add additional IP protection. It's easy to administer in just drop form, and it's going to have a durable shelf life of 2 years or more. So how do we do this? We do this by targeting the basic mechanism of action with regard to DNA damage, and that is a protein called p53. With our compound, just giving it 2 or 3 times a day, we're able to stabilize the amplitude of the p53 signal. And by doing this, we can augment the DNA repair process, and this will ensure well-differentiated healing without subsequent fibrosis that can occur with all different types of injuries to the eye. We have shown this works in animals of infectious keratoconjunctivitis. We've also shown it works in other severe forms of DNA injury. And for those reasons, BARDA has awarded us with the $30 million contract. Their interest, of course, is for DNA damage associated with medical chemical warfare, but they're actually helping us develop the commercial indications of infectious keratoconjunctivitis and other diseases of the front of the eye. And in addition, we will be eligible for a $75 million medical countermeasure voucher at the time of approval. We've put together a fabulous team who are knowledgeable in all aspects of drug development. And I want to thank you for listening and hearing about a totally new approach to healing by Invirsa. Thank you so much.